Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing good. Today we're going to talk about the upcoming brand new 2019 Bajaj Dominar. So the 2019 Dominar is almost around the corner, but looking at it, looking at the scoops, looking at what is there on the internet, is it really the bike what it could have been? I don't actually think so. I have busted my Dominar around pretty much all over India. Did the K2K, went to the Western Ghats a couple of times, went to the Western beaches a couple of times, and I found there are certain shortcomings in the Dominar that has not yet been addressed. If I look at any Dominar owner, and probably about 80% of the people I know who ride a Dominar, the single biggest change that they have done is the windshield. You are pegging the Dominar as a touring bike. However, there is absolutely no wind protection. The wind protection you're giving is like a naked bike, it's like a street bike. Did Bajaj address that? No, not yet. So it has not yet been launched. Probably what you should do, Bajaj guys, if you're watching this video, is go ahead and at least list the accessories that are available. I understand that they're not from you, but there are vendors like Autolog, there's Luvia, there's Carbon Racing, Shayadri, so on and so forth. As you can see on my bike, it has gone through multiple iterations. And the current one that is there right now, it's pretty much stock. I don't plan to do any extreme rides, at least for the next foreseeable future. So I switched to the stock tires, which are like fantastic. The other thing that you should actually look at, the Achilles heels of the Dominar, is the chain. It becomes loose or it needs tightening or adjustment every 600 to 700 kilometers. Don't give me that GAN saying, hey, it's a chain driven bike, so it needs adjustment every 600 700 kilometers. Last year I was riding around in Europe on a 600cc Yamaha MC6. 10,000 kilometers I had to adjust the chain only once. So if you're not able to be that quality or get that quality, then at least go ahead and provide the main stand. So for a tourer, it becomes much easier to mount the luggage. It becomes much easier to do the chain maintenance, be it the lubing, cleaning, as well as the chain tightening. The third thing that you should do is stop doing Hatimat Palo or Dominate the Night type campaigns. I mean, this kind of campaign just alienates people from your brand, and we as Dominar riders get bad publicity in the biking brotherhood, which is not good. My friends, they make fun of me saying, hey, your brand is making Hatimat Palo. And the end of the day, what you basically did is you alienated a whole list of people just because of with your one stupid campaign. So please don't do any more Hatimat Palo. World over, go ahead and issue service advisory and recalls. Why don't you make it public? That way you are actually gonna build more trust. Single cylinder 373cc motor, so it is bound to have vibrations. And yes, there were some design faults, plastic meeting tank, plastic meeting metal without any dampener in between, was bound to cause vibrations. It's good that you have fixed it, but go ahead and make it public. That way you're gonna get more trust, and it will go ahead and change the perception that Bajaj bikes are only good for roughly about 20-25,000 kilometers, and after which they become delay. Well, to be honest, my bike has done 22,000 kilometers and I still thrash the shit out of it whenever at every given chance. I do pamper it during servicing, but when I'm riding, I ride it like I have stolen it. I mean, and last but not the least, have you ever seen Chino's Dominar? That is what you should have done. Spoke wheels, adventure kit, make the Dominar adventure ready, or at least provide that kit as an option for people like me or other Dominar owners who want to take the bike out, go on big bad adventures. The Dominar is very capable as a badass adventure bike. I hope you listen to it. The Dominar has not yet been launched, and these are the things that are not impossible to go ahead and do. These are the small things. And you're talking about legal stuff. I'm pretty sure you can go ahead and slap on an off-road only sticker and get done with it. That is how big manufacturers in all over the world do, because any modification done to your bike has to be registered with the respective authorities, and you slap on an off-road only sticker to that. That basically says that, hey, the guy who is buying the bike, he or she is responsible for it to be used off-road, and it is not road legal. But at least that gives us an option. Do let me know in the comments below whether you agree to what I said or not. If not, or if you have anything additional to say, please put them in the comment section, and let's have a good discussion there. So, well, enough ranting. I have ranted enough. At the end of the day, all I can do is hope and pray. I know they're not strategies, but Bajaj listens to us, gives us the accessories, gives us a little bit more support, provides us a quick service bay when we're touring, and make everyone feel part of the community instead of trying to alienate people. Have a good one. If you don't like the video, hit the dislike button. If you like it, you know what to do. Cheers. Bye.